some seeds, y'all. We gonna be
Agricultural
fair, agricultural fair, and a whole lot of other things. Fair. It was, just a fair. It's like it was kind of like an festival, expo, fair type situation. So hold on, baby. How you? I'm gonna do like the young folk when they hold on. I want to get them like this.
Do a seed phone?
I'm gonna do. Am I? Is I'm cool? Y'all see my seed phone?
No.
I got my. This ain't cool. I got my seed phone, y'all. This is what we got. And these are what I'm the most happy about because I ain't had no luck with beefsteak over here at all. So now the seeds, the normal seeds do go over here, nothing. I cut a tomato open, let seeds dry out, chunk them joints in the water and in the dirt. Like my man say, if Stacy's still in here, what hands in the dirt say?
Throw them in the dirt.
Put them in the dirt.
Put them
in the dirt. So I'm gonna try to get myself in here and show y'all as best I can without too much of a glare. But these are I think these the hybrids we was talking to the lady about. So if y'all can see, and we'll probably do another video and show y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna show y'all the plants and all the stuff that was at the fair.
Yeah,
they had
a lot of plants. We got a video with that coming.
Setups and greenhouses and all that stuff. It was really nice.
And these are Siova, Africa's bit. Let me get that in the shot right there. Da da da. It is 1 gram worth of seeds. These are and it's just my tomatoes. It's tomatoes for me because the little wild tomatoes, they grow up like little cherry tomatoes. I can grow them all day. We don't have no problem with them. They almost take care of themselves.
Yep.
Completely. But
you got 2 packs of those. Which ones you want? I
want these because I want to talk about these.
Okay. You got 10, man.
These were a gift from a friend.
Yes.
I ain't gonna say I'm gonna talk to him first and be like, I'm gonna be putting all my business telling folk I'm giving y'all seeds out here. But this broccoli is such a big deal to us. I don't know if, let me see the glare. It's rough to see the back because it's so light. But these broccoli are
the hybrid broccoli.
Either you gonna get some broccoli, you ain't. You gonna get what you can get. But and Urban Gardening Chronicles talk about that a lot. The difference between what's a hybrid, what's this or that. Great conversation on that. Great perspective on that because when it get down to what is or isn't a hybrid and what's pure and what's not pure, Tanzanians don't consume a lot of broccoli as like a daily staple or just a regular vegetable. So the origins of most of the broccoli are imported. So to be able to grow some on your own is like really important for us. A good harvest starts with good seeds. You absolutely right, Mary Ma. 100%. Oh, and Mary Ma, thank you for being here.
Yeah, thank you, Mary Ma.
Yeah. I've been holding these up all day. These Swiss chard.
Yeah.
They just, kind of like in the States. Y'all know some folk mix they collard greens with they mustard greens, and they'll mix. It's the same way over here for like chiche.
Yeah.
And you mix it with
cabbage,
Chinese cabbage or with Swiss chard or something like that. And well, look at here, another pack of Africa's Best. Both, if I said Africa's Best, because if y'all see that right there, I'm gonna put it where the camera won't. These Africa's Best seeds are right here, and yeah, we got some Chinese cabbage.
And they had 2 different sizes, so we got a big pack and that size. And these were just packaged. They have the package on when they were packed.
Yeah.
July 27th for these this year.
These are 10 gram. This is a 10 gram pack, as you can see in the lower corner right there. And these were.
It's a lot of seeds.
Yeah, it's a lot, and we can tell them like.
That's 25 grams.
25 grams. So to give an example, for this pack right here, which is 10 grams, right? So this is a 10 gram pack of Chinese cabbage, and what was this bag? 1,500.
It was I think so. 1,500.
So this is 1,500. So and that's in T shilling.
Right.
So in US dollar.
It's like less than $1.
Yeah, in US it's like I'm trying to do the math, like like 42 cents.
Let's just say less than $1 because I don't know the exchange
Exchange rate change all the time,
Yep.
so I'm gonna say for less than $1. For less than $1, I'll say for less than 60 cents a day.
Yep. The Naked Gardener's in here, I believe. I think I saw them in here. Yeah, the Naked
Hey,
Gardener.
okay, I see people speaking. Hey, Naked Gardener, how you doing?
Sorry for missing.
How are y'all doing?
How are y'all?
How are y'all doing? And this is a bigger pack. So I just showed y'all the smaller pack of Chinese cabbage. These is the 25 gram.
Side by side, babe, so I can see.
Okay. Yeah, just
Yeah.
give a little bit
Yeah.
of juxtaposition right here. I don't know if y'all can see it because I'm holding. I can't see it. Yeah. So the smaller one is the 10 gram. This one is the 25 gram. So, as long as they stay viable.
Right.
And
I know Nikki was saying somebody they don't have like 10 seeds in the pack and stuff. They
Yeah.
heavy.
Oh, this is hit.
It's
Let me
plenty.
hold on.
And such a,
Do y'all hear that?
Yeah.
Like it's loaded with seeds.
lot
So
of
we're gonna try to keep them healthy, and hopefully they'll germinate as far out from now as we need them to, because we won't be planting all of these immediately. That's why. First, we got some things and stuff coming up in the future, y'all. But
Right.
this small pack will probably last for a stupid amount of time
Yeah.
because it's
quite a few.
It's
and then that
so-
big pack.
yeah.
We probably won't even touch those until.
And luckily, we have good friends who are
Yeah.
also into gardening
Yeah,
and
we swap
farming.
seeds with them.
We swap
Yep.
seeds with each other. We swap, information with each other. Folk bring each other food, and it's just
Yeah.
it's real community
Good
oriented.
vibes. Yep. Help each other out.
Oh, y'all. Bum-ba-da-dum. What is them?
Ooh,
And look how
Georgia.
Georgia. Yeah. Hey, we actually saw some of these at the expo, and they had some growing. And y'all, when I tell y'all they in real life, it's just that deep green. What we call it?
Yeah, Georgia collards. Yeah.
Georgia collard. And again, this is another one of them. It's another one of them situations where it's kind of like we got a big one and a little one. And both of them, I say, y'all, I'm talking about they are so. Let me see if I can shake them down.
Yeah, it's
Y'all
like
see how it get thick at the bottom?
so many seeds. It's
The seeds stop about right here, full in the thing, and they just the package bulging out because it's lit. I might do a video where I just pour them out and shit, because it's literally hundreds of seeds
Yeah.
in here, which is
crazy
amazing.
amount of seeds.
Now we have access to these pretty easily, pretty regularly, but when it comes to growing your own, and y'all know about going through the process of letting stuff go to seed and getting your seeds and how that can be and viability. And if you just got some good seeds right off the
Right.
yeah, it makes
It's
it
just
easy.
good to have them.
It is good to have seeds. Yeah,
And these
part
are
of
all
the
things
stuff.
that we eat. You
Exactly.
know what I'm saying? So we wanted to get the seeds of stuff we were gonna eat.
Yeah.
So if we grow it, we have it. Even if it's like easily accessible, like cabbage,
Mm-hmm.
is not a problem. But just to have it where you can go get it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.
And shout out East Africa Seed Company.
Yes.
East Africa Seed Company.
Angela's Kevin's like, bet you ain't got no turnips. We got mustard greens.
Yeah.
Check out the video, Angela. We harvested some mustard greens and I cooked them in a short. Yeah. No turnip. They do have turnips out here. My friend was showing me a pamphlet of all the stuff they have out here. So they do have turnips.
They do have
But
turnip.
I
Yeah.
don't think if they did have them, we didn't see them at the festival we went to. But
Right. What else we got?
and this is just another. This is a big packet of the Swiss.
Yeah, the one that we showed y'all
Chard.
earlier, Swiss chard. So we kind of
the
did
25
yeah.
gram packet. Yeah.
Kind of did two.
Yeah, we got big and small.
Big and
Yeah,
small.
So we
And
just
this
can
is-
have a like seed
Exactly.
library, if you will. Hold on to some. Yeah.
And for longevity's sake, just a humongous thing of kale here. And I know it's like, what? Y'all got kale, big, okay, so what? Big deal, you got some kale. Y'all, everybody all over the world don't eat the same kind of stuff that everybody all over the world eat.
That's true.
So certain vegetables in certain places, certain fruits, and so even though fruit is really abundant here, but it's like tropical fruit. Good luck with some cherries.
Yeah.
Good luck with some stuff that you used to just being able to walk in your
Right.
local
They're here. They just
HEB.
cost ridiculous.
Oh, and
amounts
when,
of
that's
cherries, but-
perfect example. So for one kilo, not kilo, that was one what was the container size, babe?
For what?
For the cherries.
Oh, you saw them. I didn't see them.
You talk, but our friend earlier, I was talking. Okay, look,
Yeah.
to put it in perspective, so I'll put it like this: the weightlifting geek. What's going
What's
on,
up,
bro?
fam?
How you doing? So to put it in perspective, we talking about 25,000 to shilling for in U.S. measurements. Let's say a pound of cherries, just regular, cherries, was 28,000 to shillings. So that's about $13
Yeah,
U.S.
That's a lot.
When you can find them, because you can't find them,
Right.
So
Right.
they usually all
Yeah,
imported.
you've seen them, but I haven't seen them.
Yeah,
I haven't
yeah.
Seen them.
So
Should I get my tree?
girl, go and get
See,
the tree.
People know what it is.
She proud of this little tree, y'all.
Don't be-
I'm proud of it too, babe. I love you.
Like,
Why can't I ain't on you, man? Come on now, damn.
Dang, bro.
She going to get the tree, y'all.
Our guest this evening,
What should we call him, Mr. Limau?
Mr. Lamau.
Yeah.
Y'all know what kind of tree that is by looking? I know, we gotta move it.
Yeah, we gonna have to. And this like y'all real talk. This is definitely gonna be a container grow to start. Yeah.
But that was somebody asked what was the name of the seeds, the brand.
EA seed. Let me see if I can put this over here so y'all can grow.
Saw it.
Yeah, it's EA seed, and I'm gonna try to turn this around. If y'all see that there, that East Africa Seed Company. Look,
Yep.
I will let y'all know in the future if
GT asked how much was the tree. It was 6,000 to shilling.
so like $3.
It was like $2.57.
$2.57.
Yeah.
So and this just the one we got.
Yeah, they had mango there. We have a
mango,
video.
papaya.
I'ma put
Yeah,
it
we putting out a
together.
video
Yeah.
to give more detail.
Yeah. No, but that was our seed hall, y'all. And they have a lot of shops around here that we were able to get cards and stuff from, and where their stores are.
Yeah, and their online information.
You know,
and
the company there. So we'll be able to get more stuff, and they get stuff in all the time.
we got videos coming. We're gonna be talking more about videos coming on the event that we went to.
Yep.
Okay. Hey, y'all have fun.
Yes.
Be blessed. Be easy. Y'all have a good one.
Until the next Trill Tuesday. That's what we call it,
To the
y'all.
next Trill Tuesday.
True and Real Tuesdays.
Yes,
with
sir.
African Dreaming. Yeah.
We will be over here. What you gonna be doing?
I know what I'm gonna be doing. I think I know what you're gonna be doing.
I know what I'm gonna be doing.
We're gonna be over here.
Being country in another country. Peace. Y'all take care. Be
We
easy.
appreciate y'all.
Absolutely. We gonna holler. Peace.